Ready to share your Degen riches and dive deeper into the crypto space? Let's walk through sending Degen from your Phantom wallet to another, step by step. First, open your Phantom wallet app on your phone or browser extension on your computer. Find the Degen token in your wallet. You can either scroll through your asset list or use the search bar and tap on the Degen token to see its details. Then, tap the send button. Now, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the address. It's crucial as transactions are irreversible. Ask your friend for their Degen address, or if you're sending to another one of your own wallets, get the address from there. Press copy. Paste the address into the recipient's address field within Phantom. Enter the amount of Degen you want to send. Phantom will also show you the estimated transaction fee. Take a moment to review all the details one last time. Make sure the address is correct, the amount is accurate, and you're comfortable with the network fee. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap the send button to confirm the transfer. You might be prompted to confirm with your fingerprint, Face ID, or password, depending on your wallet's security settings. Congratulations! You've successfully sent your Degen. Now go explore the exciting possibilities the crypto space has to offer.